Hello students, welcome to BioWhisper, my podcast channel. So today we will continue with the last series of this particular topic, evolution. So let's start with human evolution. So what is human evolution? Human evolution is the gradual biological change from ape-like ancestors to modern human beings. It happened through successive stages. What were those? First it's Dryopithecus, Ramapithecus, Australopithecus, then it's Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthals, and last it's, what is it? Homo sapiens. Let's start from Dryopithecus. Here we had ape-like ancestors of both apes and human beings that dwelt or lived in forests. The second one is Ramapithecus, more human-like as the name suggests, short jaws and teeth. Australopithecus, first fully bipedal human beings who lived in Africa. Now Homo habilis, these were humans with increased brain size and they developed tools. After Homo habilis, it's Homo erectus. Here we find the fully upright human beings who discovered the fire, and they also moved out of Africa. Neanderthals, they buried their dead, and now we have the Homo sapiens. The Homo sapiens, the modern human beings with highly developed intellectual capabilities, developed language, and sophisticated culture. So what are the evidence regarding human evolution? There are certain evidences, fossil evidences, morphological and anatomical evidences, then we have the molecular evidence, and also the archaeological and embryological evidence. So let's start with the fossil evidence. So we all know about fossils, that the ancient remains of dead bodies that are preserved. So we had fossils indicating human evolution, and these fossils were mainly found in Africa. There are certain morphological and anatomical similarities between human beings and apes, such as teeth, jaws, and also the vestigial organs, appendix and coccyx. Then the third is the molecular evidence. The chimpanzees and the human beings, their DNA almost match 98 to 99%, which indicate that there was a common ancestry. Archaeological evidence, we have tools, cave paintings, wall paintings, murals. These indicate towards the human evolutionary evidence. Last one is embryological evidence. So the early embryos of vertebrates, they are quite similar to the apes. So all these evidences point out towards human evolution. Now let us study about adaptative radiation. Then we will move to speciation, and at last Hugo de Vries. So adaptative radiation. Adaptative radiation is such kind of evolution in which different species come out or evolve from a common ancestor, and each of the different species are adapted to different environments. The examples, Darwin finches. The birds here had different kinds of beaks to eat different kinds of food. They evolved from a common ancestor, and this was witnessed by Darwin at the Galapagos Island. What is a speciation? A speciation is the development of new species from the existing ones. It happens due to variation, evolution, and natural selection. Example, adaptative radiation of squirrels, which happen, or you can say the allotropic uh, speciation of squirrels, which happen due to geographical isolation. The third topic is Hugo de Vries. Hugo de Vries was a Dutch scientist, and he emphasized that the particular fact that mutations, that evolution doesn't occur due to small changes, gradual changes. It occurs due to sudden mutation, sudden changes. And he observed this in evening primrose. He found that sudden mutation took place in it and evolution took place. So with this, we come to an end to this lecture series of evolution. We will start with the new chapter of class 12 biology. Until then, enjoy your day and a happy Makar Sankranti to one and all. Thank you.